Hello, children. In the previous class, uh, we have started the story uh, Expert Detectives, and this is the second part of that story. So, first, we see that Maya started to make a list about Mr. Nath, and uh, he was tried to convince Nishad uh, that upon the fact that Mr. Nath is a criminal. So she started to show the facts to Nishad. First, he told that his name is Mr. Nath, and the Mr. Nath is a title. Nobody knows his first name. The second fact is the other tenants and other tenants of that building thought that he is a madman and he is very unfriendly. The third fact is he uh, he does not talk to anyone and he is mannerless. The next fact uh, is that nobody send him letter. Maya becomes suspicious about that. Next fact, she told Nishad that he has been staying for the same stay for a year in the same place. The next fact, Maya shows that he have only one visitor, that one with spectacle and fair fat man who had visit only in Sundays for lunch, and he ordered meals from the restaurant. সেকেন্ড পার্টে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে মায়া কিছু ফ্যাক্ট লিস্ট করছে এবং নিশাদকে কনভিন্স করার চেষ্টা করছে যে মিস্টার নাথ একজন ক্রিমিনাল। তার ফ্যাক্টগুলি কয়েকটি ফ্যাক্ট হলো মিস্টার নাথের ফার্স্ট নেমটা কেউ জানে না, তারপর যে ভাড়াটিয়ারা থাকে ওই বাড়িতে তারা বলে যে মিস্টার নাথ খুব স্ট্রেঞ্জ, তিনি কারোর সাথে কথা বলেন না, তিনি কোনো চিঠি পান না, আর তিনি প্রায় 1 বছর ধরে একই জায়গায় থাকছেন, আর তার কাছে একজনই ভিজিটর আসে সানডেতে, আর তিনি খাবার অর্ডার করেন রেস্তোরাঁ থেকে। But after showing all this fact, Nishad did not convinced, and he feels sorry for Mr. Nath because he had no friends, and he had his only concern about Mr. Nath is why he is so thin and why he is so lonely. And he strongly opposed Maya when Maya called him a criminal, and he also told him that if Maya called him criminal, he do not discuss anything with Maya. And also told Maya that he is a good man because he give good tips to Ramesh, that restaurant guy. But Maya also told him that maybe Ramesh knows something about Mr. Nath, so that Mr. Nath bribing him. Maya did not like that attitude of Nishad about Mr. Nath and became angry. And he also told Nishad that if he is not not criminal, why they are bothering about Mr. Nath. But Nishad said he is only concerned about Mr. Nath, that he want to know why he is so lonely, and he was determined that he become friends with Mr. Nath, and he uh, go out of the room. এরপর তারা নানা রকম কথা বলতে লাগলো। নিশাদের পছন্দ ছিল না যে মায়া মিস্টার নাথকে ক্রিমিনাল বলুক, এবং এই কথাতেই তারা ঝগড়াঝাটি করতে লাগলো, এবং শেষ পর্যন্ত নিশাদ মিস্টার নাথের ফ্রেন্ড হবেই এই ভেবেই ঘর ছেড়ে বেরিয়ে গেল। So students, that is the story, expert detectives. In the next class we are going to do the question answers. Okay, thank you. That's all for now.